My name is John Lacido, and I'm the proprietor of Sun Valley Lanes, a 32-lane center in Lincoln, Nebraska. I began working on AMF 8270 pin spotters more than 25 years ago, and I am pleased to have the QubicaAMF Durabin installed in my center. I have a couple pin spotters that we historically have had all sorts of problems that we just couldn't quite figure out, involving double shuttling and pin distribution. Despite all of our experience between myself and my head mechanic, we had tried everything that we could do to try to solve the problems that these certain pin spotters had over the years. The QubicaAMF Durabin, once installed, completely eliminated the problem on our notorious lane where we had double shuttling problems for years that we couldn't get resolved. Once installed, and this was literally installed and we walked away, we went from having a daily problem eliminated to a once in 89-day problem. We were very pleased with the results of the Durabin installation. The Durabin installation was very easy to complete. It took us an hour and a half to do the first install right out of the box. It's a simple one-piece installation that completely eliminates the old bin assembly and replaces it with a new Durabin upgrade. We've seen several improvements by installing the Durabins. First and foremost, to me, is customer service. We have eliminated pin handling calls on most of our pin spotters, and to me, that is the most important thing because we have less downtime, less inconvenience for my customers, which to me is the better overall experience in promoting my center, which eventually leads to my revenue. I'm very happy with that. The second part that I like about the Durabin is the reduced maintenance cost. The Durabin has eliminated more than 150 parts on the old bin assemblies. This has reduced my maintenance costs both in the short and the long term, as well as the reduced amount of pin spotter parts. The Durabin also helps improve my pin life because the lack of the metal guides and the pin butt guides has been eliminated with a one-piece molded plastic, which should help keep my pins free of nicks and scratches. Last but not least, the Durabin is very durable. I'm a very large man, and we tested the Durabin by me walking on the Durabin, and it's in good shape. We also tested the Durabin by having a pin jammed within the pin spotter table, and the Durabin is still in good condition and good shape and received no damage from the pin jammed in the table. We also didn't have any damage from the pin in the pin spotter table. The Durabin is a good investment to help reduce these long-term, short-term costs as well as improve customer service.